good morning. Thank you for calling APSSM Hotel. This is Adeline speaking. How may I help you?
Yeah, good morning. I would like to have a reservation.
Sure, sir. May I know your preferred date and how many nights?
Mhm. On March 24, exactly 6 p.m. for 3 days.
All right, sir. I put you on a hold for a minute. I'll just check the availability of our rooms on our system.
Sure.
Thank you for waiting, sir. Upon checking, there are available rooms on your preferred date. We have a deluxe room for 4,900 pesos per night. Superior room have a 7,800 per night. And residential suite, 14,600 per night. Which room do you prefer, sir?
Um, I will have a deluxe room, please.
Noted, sir. May I know, sir, if this reservation is under your name?
Yes.
All right, sir. To proceed with your reservation, sir, I will inform you that the hotel policy has a 50% down payment to guarantee your reservation. Is that all right with you, sir?
Yeah, sure.
All right, sir. May I have your full name, sir?
Adrian Panangkat.
Let me repeat your full name, sir. Adrian Panangkad, A for Alpha, D for Delta, R for Romeo, I for India, A for Alpha, N for November, P for Papa, A for Alpha, N for November, A for Alpha, G for Goat, C for Charlie, A for Alpha, D for Delta. Is that all correct, sir?
Yes.
All right. All right. Thank you, sir. May I also have your address, phone number, and email address?
Yeah. Um, Mando proper, and my phone number is 09123 456 789, and my Gmail is adriangmail.com.
By the way, sir, may I also have your card detail, please, for your down payment?
Yes. 0910 221 133.
All right, sir. Since you are coming from Manduk proper, would you like to add an airport transport?
No.
All right, sir. I will repeat. No, sir. For sorry for the inconvenience. Is there any special request, sir?
Uh, no, please.
All right, sir. I will repeat all the details on your reservation, sir. This reservation is under the name of Miss Sir Adrian Panangkad. You will be arriving on March 24 and the departure date is on March 27. Your reservation is you reserve for a deluxe room with a rate of 4,900 pesos per night, inclusive of breakfast. Your contact number is 0912345678 and email address is adrian.gmail.com, and you will be using your BPI card. The account number is 091000211133 with expiration date on March 2017. Is the information all correct, sir?
Yeah. You got it correct.
Alright, sir. I would like to inform you of the hotel policies. A cancellation or amendment made 3 days prior of arrival will occur a cancellation fee of one night room charge. In the event of no show, a fee of one night's room will be charged of your credit card. Check-in time is from 2 p.m. and check-out time is by 12 noon. A valid government issue and identification or password is required at check-in. Is that all right with you, sir?
Yes, it's all right.
Great. Is there anything I can assist you, sir?
Not so far.
All right, sir. Your reservation has been made. A confirmation letter will be sent to your email.
Uh, Thank you so much.
My pleasure, sir. Thank you for calling Apis SM Hotel. We're looking forward to see you here on March 24. Have a great day, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, see you, man.